welcome to Love Your Body Yoga. My name is Rosemary, and I'm so happy that you've joined me for today's heart opening practice. This is all about sending some love to our heart, the place where we most often think love comes from. We'll be sending some love back in with these heart opening poses. And even if you've never tried yoga before, just go gently, easily, and do what your body can do today. Love Your Body Yoga is all about honoring what your body can do on any given day. So to start, let's just find a comfortable position in your seat. I'm sitting a little bit away from the back of my chair. My feet are comfortable on the floor, but I'm making contact with all four corners of my feet. Take the shoulders up and back and down, sitting up nice and tall, and maybe just gently move your head a little from side to side, just to release any tension that you might feel. Hands are resting comfortably in your lap. And we'll begin by doing a cat-cow pose. In cat-cow, we start by coming forward with a nice deep breath in. I like to call this the proud heart pose because you're actually pushing your heart out into the world in a proud way. And as we exhale, we are rounding the spine and the chin tucks down slightly as though you were going to kiss your navel. I'll show you from the side just so you can see. On the inhale, a slight arch in the back. The chin maybe comes up, but it doesn't have to. It's a proud heart coming forward into the world. And on the exhale, rounding the spine, the chin tucks down and kiss your navel. So let's try that together. Ready? Inhale, proud heart to the world. Maybe the chin comes up. Exhale, round the spine, chin comes down, kiss your navel. Inhale, proud heart. Exhale, kiss your navel. Again, inhale, proud heart. Exhale, kiss your navel. Continue to do this on your own breath. We're gently warming up the body, gently warming up the spine. We are sending our heart out into the world, activating its energy. We have both a physical heart and an energetic heart. And today I'm going to share with you a few interesting and fun facts about your physical heart. So again, rounding to kiss your navel. Proud heart comes forward. One more time. Kiss your navel. Inhale and come forward with a proud heart. And coming just back to a neutral spine, just move your body any way that feels comfortable for you. All right, our next pose is hug a tree, kiss your shoulder blades. We talked about the heart, and most of us think, well, right here's my beating heart, my energetic heart. But we also have a back of the heart and sides of the heart. And this next pose will open not only the front of the heart, but also the back. So hugging a tree, the arms are a little below shoulder height, and you come in a rounded way as though you were hugging a tree or a beach ball. Then the elbows come back, shoulder blades are coming closer to one another as though they wanted to kiss. On an inhale, rounding the arms, feel right now that your back is very open. The shoulder blades have moved away from each other. This is opening the back of the heart. Pulling back with the elbows, the shoulder blades reaching near each other to share a kiss. Hug a tree, inhaling. Exhale, shoulder blades kiss. Hug a tree, shoulder blades kiss. On your own breath. Did you know that the size of your human physical heart is just about the size of your fist. So it's small, but it's mighty because it does so much for you. You don't have to think about it. The heart knows what the heart needs to do, and it does it every moment of every day for your whole life. So let's send a little love to your heart by saying thank you. And once more, hug a tree, elbows come back and kiss your shoulder blades. Hands come to your lap. Our next pose is a bow and arrow pose, and it helps us to open the side of the heart. For this one, we're going to turn sideways on the chair, either side to start with because we'll be doing both. Your arms are out in front of you, again a little below shoulder height. And on an inhale, you pull back with one arm as though you were pulling back on the bow of a bow and arrow. And as you exhale, your hand comes back to its starting position. Again, as you inhale, pull back on the bow. Maybe your gaze follows your hand, but it doesn't have to. Exhale and come back to starting position. Let's try that again. Inhale and pull back. Exhale, starting position. On your own breath now. So I spoke about your small but mighty heart that's pumping blood every moment that you're alive. Did you know that your heart beats about 115,000 times a day? That's right, 115,000 times a day, every single day. That's about 2.5 billion beats across your lifetime. I definitely think that we need to give some love to our heart for that. What a workhorse. Let's turn to the other side and open the other side by doing bow and arrow. Arms are out in front. Inhale, and again, you're pulling back on the bow, and maybe your gaze follows. Exhale, return to start. Inhale, pulling back. Exhale. As you inhale, feel that the side of your heart has opened. Your chest is open wide. And as you exhale, coming back to set. And once more, inhale, wide open chest, wide open heart, and come back. Hands come down to your lap, facing forward. Our next pose again opens the heart to the front and to the back. We're going to show ourselves a little love, some physical love, by giving ourselves a hug. So one hand comes across the body to the opposite shoulder, other hand crosses over it, other shoulder. Feel, if you will, the back of your heart. Your shoulder blades have moved apart. Taking a deep breath here. Imagine the opening at the back of your heart. And gently move your elbows from side to side, a very gentle twist, giving yourself a hug, showing some love to your heart. And stop at center. To open now the front of our heart, taking one hand, bring it behind you so that your palm is facing back behind you. Bring the other hand back. Perhaps your fingertips can touch. If this feels too difficult for your shoulders, then maybe you can just keep your hands here at your waist. But if it feels comfortable, hands are behind. Let me show you. If you feel a lot of openness in the shoulders, you can actually move your hands in a little more so that your palms are on top of each other. But wherever you are, that's just fine. From here, take a nice deep breath in, Feel how open your heart is. Just spend a moment here. Did you know that your small and mighty heart pumps 2,000 gallons of blood throughout your body every day? Those 75 trillion cells in your body are all supplied by your beating mighty heart. Now we're going to hug the other way. If you don't remember which hand went first, that's okay, but try to do it the opposite way. So one hand across the body to the shoulder, the other hand across the body to the shoulder, taking a gentle breath, twisting from side to side. Give yourself a hug as though you were cradling a child, and send some love to your small, mighty, beating heart. And taking one hand behind the back, palm faces behind you, the other hand behind the back. Maybe the fingertips touch. Take your shoulders down away from your ears. And just breathe here. Think for a moment now about your energetic heart, the place of love. It's been through quite an experience in these many years. Lots of different kinds of love, probably its fair share of heartache. Let's say thank you to our energetic heart. So full of love. And bring your hands out, and they come gently to your lap. Our last pose will gather some energy, some chi in Tai Chi, and bring it directly to the heart. So imagine, if you will, every other person who is sharing this practice right now. We've all activated our energetic hearts, and from that place, may we offer each other the energy of love. So the hands come out, and on an inhale, out and up, and the fingertips barely touch. The hands come down, palms are facing the body, and just pause at the heart. Let's try that again. We inhale, arms are out and up, fingers barely touch. As we exhale, palms face the body, pausing at the heart. Again, inhale, gathering in the love from all of the fellow yogis who have joined this practice. Once more, inhale. Fingertips barely touch, coming down and pausing at the heart. I invite you to cross one hand and then the other right over your heart. You can sit back in your chair so that your back feels comfortable. And for a moment, if it feels comfortable, gently close your eyes and just take a breath here and think for a moment about your heart. It has sent so much love out into the world, but today was the opportunity when we were able to send some love back. Can you feel your heart saying thank you to you? I do. And I feel my heart connecting to yours in this bubbling over of heart-opening love. And open your eyes. We end our practice with our hands at our heart in a prayer. Our prayer is Namaste, which means the light that lives in me honors and recognizes the light that lives in each of you. Thank you for joining me for Love Your Body Yoga, and today it was all about loving your heart. I hope that you will join me as we share love in other practices and I wish you a loving and lovely day. Thank you.